In November 2021, two catastrophic slides came down on Highway 7, the Lougheed Highway between Hope and Agassiz, BC. For days before, there had been torrential rain pounding the area, and multiple weather events known as atmospheric rivers had dropped over 500 millimeters of rain in the area over just a 3-day period.
I'm so scared.
Communities cut off, leaving people stranded in their cars awaiting rescue.
The indigenous communities near Ruby Creek sit between each of the slides, and the residents there and hundreds of motorists were trapped after the slides came down and blocked the road in both directions.
They were among around 275 people forced to spend the night in their vehicles as rescuers focused on about a dozen people trapped in the torrent of debris.
They were still very liquid, moving, and full of huge chunks of debris like trees and rocks.
I think there was like 3 or 4 cars that had gotten pulled in, and there were people yelling for help last night, and it was really hard to sleep because car alarms were going off that got sucked into the river.
Officials don't yet know if there are other vehicles trapped in the debris. Crews battled brutal weather conditions, sending a steady stream of helicopters in to bring people out 20 at a time.
Amazingly, there were no injuries and no fatalities. It's April now, and I'm at the site of the slide to fly up the slide path and see the scale of it up close.